Assalamu alaikum viewers. I hope you are doing well. Today I am very happy because I got the unconditional offer letter from DBS in Master of Science in Cyber Security. So I just got this offer letter in 4 to 5 days, free of cost. There is no fee of uh, applying the applying in DBS. So just you have to follow some few steps. Means you just have to go to the official website of the DBS. Then that you just have to fill the form and few documents you have to upload. Then you can get the offer letters, unconditional offer letters from the DBS. DBS means Dublin Business School. Dublin is a capital of Ireland. If you want to go to the Ireland, then you can got the unconditional offer letter from the DPS. You just have to follow the few steps. Then you can easily get the unconditional offer letter. Because I am not an agent, I am just a student and not a professional consultant or a agent. You can apply by self like me, because this is a very simple. Just you have to follow the few steps, because I never take the any help from others peoples or any consultant or agents for applying for to any country or for any things. I just take the helps from the online resources like YouTube or chat gpt and other Google resources. Then I always do many things by myself. In rare cases I just physically go to the anywhere and take the help from the physically. By in most cases I just do the things by hand by myself online, because it is very simple. And nowadays we do not need to visit any consultant and we have to waste over times. You can do many things by self. Just you have to go to the official website of any things like DBS. You can apply for on the DBS through online portal, and then you can get the offer letter through mail or through WhatsApp. So how I got this offer letter and how you can get this offer letter, if you want to know, then you must have to watch this video till the end. I will completely tell you how you can get this how you can get unconditional offer letter from DBS. It is very simple and it is very easy. Just you have to follow few steps. So how I got it and how I fill the data for it. So let's start. And just you have to go to the official website of DBS, and then you have to follow these steps. So this is the official website of DBS. I will provide the link in the description. You just can use from there. So here you have to apply it on the right side. You can see the option of apply option. You can click here. Then you have to select the your you have to select here. You can see that I have clicked on the apply button. And here if you are a non-EU, means if you are from the Pakistan or India or Asia or any other country rather than Irish. If you are not a Ireland citizen, then you must have to select the non-EU student. So you have to select your degree, because according to me I have completed my BSIT from Pakistan. Now I want to go to abroad for in Ireland for further study. That's why I am selecting the postgraduate study and master in cyber security. So according to you, you can select your own, but in my scenario I am selecting according to myself. So it totally depends on you, but you have to follow these steps. But you have to give the your own data. So this is generic things. So you have to select these two options, then your first steps will be complete. Intake, I just select the September 2025 intake, but which slot will be available, they automatically will provide you. This second in the second step you have to give the your own personal data about you is the second step. So here you can make the mistake. You just have to write the first name, not a first and last name like me. As you can see, this is I just wrote for telling you, not mistakenly. Here you can see that you just have to write the first name, and here's in the second, in the in the bottom you have to write the last name. So each and everything is already told in the book, so just you have to follow these steps, and you have to write the information. Here you have to write the email and uh, email, and it is all the personal your information, so I cannot filling here. One thing is that emergency contact detail is on the bottom. Emergency kin means your relatives like a mother, father, or brother, sister. You have to give the information of that person. So each and everything is very simple. Just you have to provide the your you just have to provide your personal information. After providing the personal information in step 2, then you will move into the next step, third step, and there you have to provide the uh, educational information. So let's move on. I have filled each and everything, so let's move on the next step. Here is you can see that previous education means this is a third step. Third level education means I have selected the postgraduate. That means first level is metric, second level is FSC, intermediate, ICS, and FA, and third one is bachelor. Because my qualification is my education is BS in IT, so here I will provide the information. So each and everything is already written in the box, just like a template. You can use it. So how I filled it and how you can fill it, I just have to give the my own data of on my behalf. Then you can fill it similar like this, but you have to fill your own data. Just you have to fill like this. Here you can see the example by in my scenario. So just you have to save it and move on further. So this was a third step, and now we have to move on the fourth step. So let's see, and other detail. Here we have to provide other details. So हेयर यहाँ मैं आपको उर्दू में बता देता हूँ सिंपल, क्योंकि इंग्लिश में तो ऑलरेडी यहाँ पर चीज़ें लिखी हुई हैं। तो सिंपल ये है कि आपको डिसेबिलिटी तो नहीं है, आपको मजदूरी वगैरह तो नहीं, अगर है तो आप यस कर दें, अगर नहीं है तो नो ही रहने दें, जैसे है ऐसे ही रहने दें। उसके अलावा अबाउट मतलब आपने कहाँ से इसको सुना है, तो मैंने जो इंटरनेट से सुना, तो इसलिए यहाँ पर इंटरनेट जो है वो सिलेक्ट कर लिया। अगर आपने कहीं और से सुना तो आप वो भी ऑप्शन यहाँ पर सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं, ये आपके ऊपर जो है वो डिपेंड करता है। So I just hear from the internet, so I have selected these options. And third one is also I have selected the no one. If you got the education from Ireland already from DBS, then you can select the yes. Otherwise otherwise you can leave it as it is already available. So we have moved on the less we have to move on the next step. Submit your application. Here you have to write some words. You can maximum, I think you can wrote the you can write the 100 characters, not of words. How you can write it, it totally depends. You can also take the help from the ChatGPT or from Google, or you have to just write the one sentence. You can write it easily, it is not a difficult. So how you can write, so let's move, and you can write like me. I can give you example, like in my scenario how I fill this form and how I wrote it. So let's see. Just I have to write it. uh, you can skip it, other if you not want to write something about you, but if you want to, it is very good if you want to write. So I have to write I have already wrote in the uh, one sentence in the word form, and I just have to write it here again. Here you cannot copy paste it, you have to write it here. So after completing this form, you have to upload the data. Here you have to upload the few things, means your CV, your personal your your educational documents and your PT or IELTS English language test, and fourth one is your passport. So you have to upload here. So if the size is too large and any problem in the uploading documents, then the sign will be red. Your sign must be all the documents sign must be in the green state. Here you can see that one my documents size is too large, that's why the sign is red. So here is the no option of deletion, how you can delete it and how you can upload. You just have to resize. How you can resize the documents? You just have to go to the Google, and there you have to write the uh, PDF size compressor, then you can easily compress it. Here is no option. I am again telling you, you can't delete it, but you don't need to worry it about how you can delete it. You just have to upload, and this option will automatically will be disappeared after you. If you want to move on, then it will tell you, this is you have made the mistakes. Then automatically the browser will be refreshed, and then you can upload easily again the documents. So let's move on, and how we can move on, and how the problems will be occurred. So after clicking here, you will see the errors. So after clicking here, after clicking on it, by just clicking it, you will the browser will, the tab will be refreshed, and you will see the error. You don't need to worry about it. Just you have to again upload all the documents in the correct format. Then you can easily submit the profile. So here you can see that each and everything has been cleared, and then you have to upload again the documents. So the return each and everything is already available. The return means the return sentence is available here. So again, how you can upload? So let's start. Just you have to click here, then you have to select in this format and in this sequence. First of all, you have to upload the CV. Then you can upload your personal documents. In here you can see that I have compressed my documents online, and here you can see the status. The circle status is in the green format. So let's select the another files. Here you can see that I am selecting the files. You just have to upload 4 documents, then you can apply for the uh, admission in DBS. So the fourth one is also is available here. You just have to select it and open it. So let's check. You just have to upload these documents, and then you can further move on. So I have uploaded these documents. You have to give the name like this. You can see that this name format is good and perfect. You can select the each and everything, means each and every files from here. Then you can click on next and submission button. After that, your profile and your steps has been completed. You just have to submit it by clicking here. Then your application will be successfully submitted. So thank you for completing our online application. So you just have to wait it. Then the DBS will be contact you through Gmail, and they will ask you about the documents and any further information. Uh, So sorry for prayer. So by this method you can apply easily, and you have to wait for few days. Then you will get the unconditional offer letter, inshallah, like me. Here you can read out each and everything is available here. Now you have to wait it, and you have to check the mail later on because they can contact with you through the mail. Thanks for watching. Take care.